Hello friends, welcome to another video. This is your friend, your trainer Vikas Roy, and in this video we are going to learn about if formula, if and if not formula. What is the difference between if and if not formula? However, before moving forward, it's my request, please subscribe my channel The Future Point and share with your friends, and don't forget to press bell icon for all upcoming video notification. So thank you so much. Let's begin the session without wasting time. So now you see on the screen there is a mark sheet I have prepared, and this is the student ID and this is name and candidates subjects. So actually these subjects are in which candidates have appeared in examination, and this is the marks what they have obtained. So now we will apply a formula if we have to check a candidate that whether he or she has passed in a particular subject or not. So we will define a qualifying parameter like 40 marks will be the qualifying parameter. If any candidate is getting equal to or greater than 40, that means he should be pass or else should be fail. So this is the formula what I have already defined. If equal to D5, DE actually if you click it here, it will reflect the column and row number. So exactly this is the English subject, and this is the name of the candidate, Aman Kumar. So if Aman in English, if he is getting greater than and equal to 45 marks, then he should be pass or else he should be fail. So as per his status, he is getting only 35 marks, so his status shows here fail. So let's begin once more. How does we reflect this formula? How does we apply this? So let's start equal to if start bracket, and here I will check this candidate Bipin whether he is in Hindi, how much he scored. So I will just put it here. I will select Hindi and I will put my parameter here, criteria. It's greater than and equal to, it's greater than equal to 40, then comma bracket pass, comma again and start bracket and mention here fail and close the bracket. And so you see here, as I defined the criteria that if this candidate is getting greater than and equal to 40 marks, then he should be pass or else he should be fail. So as per his status, it shows that he has obtained 45 marks, which is above our criteria 40. That is why it is showing pass. So if I put it here instead of 45 in Hindi, if I put it here only 35, you see it must reflect fail. So actually this is the one. Actually this is for actually this candidate Amita Kumari, because here it shows E8, so this is the E column, this is the E column, and 8 number row means she Anita. Okay, no problem. So anyway, this formula is correct, that if I increase the marks here above 40 of 40, it should also reflect pass. So this is pass here. Now how do we define if and formula? Actually in if condition we can give only one criteria, and we have different subjects where many subjects, so one by one we need to check this. So this if not formula will give you this privilege that one point of time you can give multiple criteria and you can check all these subjects in one time only, and it will show the status whether the candidate is fail or pass in any particular subject. Okay, so let's do one thing. I will just apply this formula here. Let's take the first row, actually just delete all this. Okay, and I will apply the formula here, if and how does it work like actually. So let's start with equal to sign. I will put it if, then start bracket again and type and now again start bracket, and now it is asking for the logical one. So logical test 1 I will give English subject. In English I will define my criteria greater than equal to 40. Okay, then comma. Actually here I will not put my status whether fail or pass. First of all, I will have to check all these subjects in which candidate have appeared for examination. So now again I will select this one and I will put my another criteria. Okay, 40, because I will give 40 qualifying parameter in all subjects so that it should reflect the result. So again I will select the another subject and define my criteria 40, again comma, and I will define my another criteria for the another subject greater than and equal to 40, then comma again, then let's say another subject greater than equal to 40, and this is the last subject what we have to choose. Okay, greater than and equal to 40. Now what I will do, I will just close this bracket here. Okay, comma, and I will define my that what exactly I want to reflect, whether fail or pass, or so I put it here pass. Okay, it should be under double quotes. Okay, and then comma, then again double quotes, put it here fail after double quotes, and now close the bracket and press enter. So you see here it is showing fail here, and why it is showing fail, we need to check it actually, as we defined all those subjects qualifying parameter the 40 marks. So if any subject candidate is getting less than 40, it will show the fail. So in all these subjects everywhere he is getting above 40, but in this particular subject in Hindi he is getting only 35. So if I change this value, instead of 35, if I put it 42 or 43, it should reflect pass. So let's see here. Oh, okay, you see here, so it is showing here pass, because so this is the difference between if and formula. In if and formula we can define multiple criteria at one point of time, and we can check our results. And if you want, simply you can do one thing, is select it and drag till the last record so that it will reflect the results of all candidates. So this is the benefit of if and formula. And if you want, I can do one thing, I can define if formula once again here so that you will understand it and your doubts will be clear. So let's, in if formula we can define only one criteria, so I can just equal to if. Okay, and I will select this subject. Okay, and now I define my criteria greater than or equal to 40, then I will give my comma, then pass, inverted comma, then again fail, and close the bracket, press that. So see here, now I define here, I only define one criteria because I checked only for one subject. Okay, so if I want to give here multi criteria, in that case I need to define this if and formula. So this is the benefit of if and formula. In that one point of time we can give multiple criteria and we can check it in once only. So I believe your concept will be clear, and if in case of any doubt, please put in comment. I will try to improve my video quality and all. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Future Point. Your future, our focus. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a good day.